Have a good day to all guys. How are you? Hope you're fine, doing really awesome. Look here, the DC Scientific robot is working on this account. Again, I opened in a trade. Let me show you the history of today. The robot made a one loss, 0.76 cent, and then made one profit deal. Okay, guys, look here. The comment below is showing the DC Scientific robot. Okay, and the robot made $58. So let's go and withdraw this money. Okay, the withdrawal is done from my account, and now it's time to withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. They sent me an email. I should go for email, check the mail. Okay, and here is email. Let's click on the mail and process the withdrawal. It's $58 using my Secret account. Sorry for all noises. This is my baby crying. I'm really sorry about this. Let's click on payout. This is all by DC Scientific Robots. I hope you guys interested. Thanks for watching, guys. See you very soon. Bye bye. Have a good day.